Hello, all you wonderful people out in YouTube land, and welcome to the Dollar Store Pour. Thank you so much for joining me. It is a beautiful day to paint, so let's go ahead and get right to it. So I haven't prepped the canvas yet, only because I'm going to be filling this ice cube tray, and I just needed somewhere to put it. I'm going to be using 4 colors. I will be using a base of black. I'll also be using black and a dark red. In the back corner, or back side, not a corner, and I will be using this purple, lavender, and light blue. And to each paint I have added the usual water and PVA glue, and that has been it. Nothing else added today. Not necessarily looking to get any cells. If I do, that's fine, of course, but that isn't my intent. And I'm doing the dark red and the black in the back part of it. Well, what will be the back part when I pour it on. And the purple and blue will be in the front. And I'm filling them almost full, not quite full. And I'm trying to get about the same amount of every color. And that should do it. Just a tiny bit more purple, I think. Alright, so let's get this out of the way and we'll go ahead and get the background done. And actually, I guess I'll go ahead and throw this leftover black on there. And I might as well throw that red on there. Not really enough there to bother saving. And a little more black. Certainly don't have to be precise or accurate with the background. No, I'll have to spread that around. It's not going to be thick enough to just flow. And that's all right. And just making sure I get the full coverage of the canvas. This should be all covered over anyway with the paint I'm using, so it really doesn't matter what it looks like. And a little more. Smoothing that out just a little bit. Just using the weight of this here scraper chisel thing. Alright, now do it for the background. So we'll start at one end, start pouring, and make our way up. colors in the back aren't moving quite as fast as I had hoped, but that's all right. There we are. We're getting caught up. Just moving it back and forth a little bit. Should do. Now let's just move that around a little bit. Make sure we get all the sides, all the corners. Almost got full coverage here. One last corner. And there we go. Okay. Just a tiny bit there. I'm just blobbing up some paint with my fingers just to make sure I get all the sides. Any tiny little bits that I might have missed. Alright, well, as I said, all that's on there is the water, the PVA glue. I think I will give that a quick torch because I do see a lot of air bubbles. I'm not anticipating getting any cells, and that's alright. As I said, that's not necessarily... Alright, I guess I won't be torching it after all. I'll have to get a fresh one. But as I said, in this case, the torching, all that would have done was get rid of some of the air bubbles. Alright, so that's going to do it. Let's get a close-up of that. Alright, so that's going to do it for me. I hope you liked what you saw. If you did, go ahead and throw a like my way. It'd be greatly appreciated. Don't forget to subscribe, and that will be notified when the next painting comes out. Thank you all again for watching, and I will see all you wonderful people next time.